is that we all get it. Don't give in to the pain, just keep living, cause
got dreams I'm striving for. So I'm gonna live higher. I'm gonna live higher. I got dreams I'm striving.
What's up, guys? It's Toby Rosario. I know it's been a while, with this whole coronavirus thing going on. Just wanted to shoot you guys a video, kind of give you guys an update what's been going on with me. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell notification. That way you get notified whenever I post a new video. Also, give this video a thumbs up. Give this video a thumbs up. Also, another thing, real quick, I don't know if you guys are aware. I do have a free real estate course. I'll have it in the links below. Essentially, all you have to do is just put your email address, and you get a mind map, which is essentially a free real estate course. It talks about how you get market for sellers, how you market for buyers, A to Z. It's just a free course, no strings attached. Just it's in the link below. Just sign up, put your email. So, and another thing is, I hope you guys are staying safe, and hopefully you're not affected by you haven't gotten the coronavirus or anything like that. But I just wanted to give you guys an update, kind of what's been going on with me, and far what's I've been doing as far as my wholesaling business. So what I've done is I've stopped all my marketing. Okay, I should do my last direct mail campaign was back in February. Okay, so in these uncertain times, there's just a lot of uncertainty, right? No one really knows what's going to happen, especially post-COVID, right? Once this thing is all over, hopefully it's a lot sooner than later. So what I've done is, and what I'm focusing on, I heard someone say it. In these times, you got to be lean, you got to be patient, and you got to be liquid. Okay, so I stopped my marketing so I can stay lean, because I used to do direct mail. That was kind of like what I like to do, right? So what I've done is, and what I'm doing is, so in CallRail, I'm just going back to all my old leads. I'm going to send them ringless voicemails, some text messages, just follow up with all those leads that, 6, 8 months ago, 3, 4, 5 months ago, said they weren't interested, and just following up to see if the situation has changed. Because what I know for sure, right, I just don't know when exactly it's going to be. What I know for sure is that, a lot of these people are going to be in a tough spot, right? 3, 6, 8, 12. No one really knows months down the road, when the market really crashes. And I know that the prices are going to be cheaper then than they're going to be now, right? So, you have to be patient, because you want to jump on some really good deals. This time around, I position myself I do have some capital to invest and maybe keep some rentals for myself, with the business credit. So I'm learning to be patient, and jump on some really good deals. I'm not sending out any marketing except for like very cheap marketing, like the ringless voicemails. And I'm also going to be lowering a lot, offer 15-20% lower than what I used to offer, right? Because situations change. The situation has changed, right? We're in a global pandemic. So it's just different, right? So I'm going to have, buyers are, they're a little scared as well, right? Flippers, some flippers that I've talked to, they're kind of waiting as well, right? So you're gonna have to talk to your buyers and see what they think of the market. What are they thinking? What do they need to be at in order for the numbers to make sense for them? Currently, right now. So that's what you need to do. What I'm doing, again, I'm just staying lean, staying patient, and I'm staying liquid. Right? I do have some capital that I can, scoop up a good some deals, cash. Maybe hold as rentals or whatever the case is. But as far as marketing, I stopped marketing. Like, I'll stop doing direct mail. I'm just going to be following with some old leads, nurture them, go back a year, keep following up with those leads, because that's all free. These are leads that I have in my database, and all I got to do is keep following up, right? And again, as far as prices, I'm gonna be, giving them a lot lower price offer, I should say, than before. Because, sorry, I'm just trying to fix this light. Because we're in a global pandemic, and it's just so much uncertainty. Banks are tightening up their lending criteria for homeowners, potential homeowners. So it's just a lot of uncertainty. So what I recommend, again, that's just what I'm doing. I'm not a guru. It's just kind of being patient and just following up with my old leads and market to them, RVM, text messages, and just kind of see if the situation has changed, right, from 6 months ago, 8 months ago, 10 months ago, 12 months ago. So that's kind of what I've been up to, and I also been working on some other things that I'll give you. Just been busy with some other personal things that I'm working on, and I'll share with you guys what I've been working on. But I just wanted to shoot a really quick video, kind of show you guys, or tell you guys, give you guys an update of what's been going on with me. Let me know what you guys are currently doing this current pandemic, as far as marketing wise, what's working for you, and what are you guys doing? Comment below. Let me know. Give this video a thumbs up. That's my time. My name's Silvio Rosario. Peace.